Hello. Hello.
A few moments later.
Nih kita mau cuci mobil dulu teman-teman. Nih kita lagi ada di car wash. Ini tempatnya kayak gini teman-teman tuh. Banyak area buat cuci mobil. Ini tempat pembayaran.
Please wait while we verify your membership. Welcome to our car wash. Please select an option from the list on the screen.
Jauh.
Please select a car wash by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen. Please wait. The wash is busy at this time.
The wash is busy. There's a
You
lot
are
of
now
empty
ready to
lane.
enter the car
Oh,
wash.
okay.
Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead.
Okay, got it.
Thank you again for your car wash.
Nah, ini kita masuk ke area car wash-nya, teman-teman. Ini kayaknya di Jakarta juga udah banyak yang kayak gini ya, teman-teman. Oh, tetap ada petugasnya. There's still a worker, babe. I thought it's gonna be just a machine.
They just spray off stuff. It's not like
It's cool. Yeah, terus. Wow. Nice. Okay.
and you put it in neutral.
Put it in neutral.
Yeah. See? And
Okay.
then it'll pick us up and move us automatically.
Okay, I see. So now the car is on moving stuff, right?
Yeah, conveyor belt.
Yeah. Tuh, teman-teman, aku sebenarnya rada parno nih kalau masuk ke tempat kayak gini. Suka pusing. Tapi nggak apa-apa buat konten video. Oh. Tuh, suka takut. I'm scared. Tuh. Aduh, bergetar. Kok lucu sih? It's like a rainbow. The soap is like a rainbow. Nah, dibilang. Iya. Oh. I'm scared. Aduh, dasar kampungan. My goodness. Ih, serem. Scary. Oh no! This is like we're riding a ride in Disneyland. Oh. Wow! Oh. That's scary, huh? pertama-tama kita buang dulu sampah-sampah yang ada di mobil ya teman-teman. Ini udah disediain di sini. Kedua, kita keluarin karpet mobilnya buat dibersihin. Jadi di sini ada tempat buat ngejepit karpetnya. Nah, ini dia vakumnya buat ngebersihin. Nah, terus kita bersihin vakum inside the car.
No, other way. Flip it. Face down. There you go.
Sampai keringetan. Habis bersihin mobil, teman-teman. Habis cuci mobil. Oh ya, hand sanitizer. Jangan lupa. How was it?
Good.
Good. Much better. The car is much better now. Woo.
Seatbelt.
Hang on. Whoa. Sweaty. Centil.
A few inches later.
Oke teman-teman, sekarang aku mau belajar cara isi bensin di Amerika. What should I do first?
So just slide the card in,
Slide the card in.
like it shows on the directions.
Like this?
Yes. And pull out.
One moment please. Pin. Show.
Hit no.
Hit no. Push no.
No, right here.
No. No.
And I'll ask for the area.
Do you want to receipt?
And no.
Press yes or no. Remove nozzle. This is what it called nozzle, right?
Yeah.
Pull it out.
Now you gotta select the gas.
Which one?
So we want unlimited.
Unlimited. Okay.
Put it all the way in.
Put it all the way in. And then
Pull the lever all the way up, and then push this down.
Hey.
Okay, let go.
Okay.
So now it'll fill up.
Gonna full?
Whenever it's full, it'll pop up.
Do we need a card anymore? So we're just waiting
until it's finished filling up.
Really hot.
So just lift it. Don't pull the lever, but lift it up.
Lift it up.
Yeah, just lift it up and put it back on the thing. You don't want to spill gas. Yes. Yep. Now push this back in. And that's it. I mean, does it say thank you? Okay. That's it.
A few moments later.
Nah, habis dari isi bensin, kita mampir di Dollar Tree nih. Nah, ini Dollar Tree-nya beda ya, karena Dollar Tree-nya ada di Edwardsville. Kita mau lihat barang-barang apa aja yang ada di dalamnya. Biasanya suka beda dari satu kota sama kota lainnya, itu suka beda isi Dollar Tree. Aku hobi banget ke Dollar Tree karena apa, selain barang-barangnya semua harganya $1, tapi di sini banyak barang-barang lucu juga gitu. Jadi kayak refreshing my eyes. Temen lucu banget ini. Kita mau beli kembang api, teman-teman. Oke. Cantik-cantik banget ini. Look at this, I found a gem. There's another one here. Here. Ini akhirnya aku dapet ini buat Ci, nanti aku kasih buat Unci.
A few moments later.
Tuh lihat teman-teman, udah mulai pada nanam jagung lagi nih, farmer. Udah tengah tahun gak berasa mereka udah mulai nanam lagi. He's imitating me when I was driving here in America. Like what? Like full of stress. Okay, so here it is, the stuff to celebrate 4th of July. It's okay, at least we celebrate it.
Eventually.
Nah, karena di luar udah mulai beledak-beleduk, udah mulai banyak yang pasang petasan, terus fireworks. Jadi kita pasang ini buat nenangin Harley supaya dia nggak nervous, supaya dia chill, santai, nggak gelisah. And it's kind of work. He's fine, he's calm. Babe, you're a good boy, Harley. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Good boy, Harley. And Evan just found out on YouTube there's a lot of stuff to like make dogs calm down whenever 4th of July. So it's not just Harley. Harley's not the one. Harley's not the only one who got nervous by the fireworks. That's cool. That's cool. Even 1 hour, 2 hours. Oh. It kind of works, teman-teman. He's calm down. He's chill. Good boy, Harley. Good boy. So I'm gonna play this kalimba for Harley to calm him down. Hopefully.
A few moments later.
Ready. Gee. Oh my god. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Blow it out. Blow it out. American song, babe. I'm sorry, national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we at the twilight's last gleaming, whose red stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we walk, were so gallantly streaming. And
Eventually.
Thank you. There. Good. Okay.
Have a good night.
Have a good night too.
Oh.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
I got it. Thank you. Please don't.
What are you doing?
Please don't. Okay guys, this is 10:27 p.m. and we're gonna driving around to see firework. Okay. Hey, we got it. We got it. Woohoo. The moon is kind of pretty. Yay.
It's really hit.
We, oh my god, just in front of our house. That's all?
Tomorrow.